everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie and here this week piece video. I bought this dresser a few months ago on state sale for $10. At that time I bought a few more pieces and this is the last one from that state sale. My first thoughts was sanding down and leave in Behr wood use oil. But now I changed my mind and has some nicks and some scratch. The finish is almost gone, but it's solid wood. The back is in a very good shape. It's from 1946. The drawers works very well. This hardware is not the original because it has another holes here. The drawers is solid wood too and works very well. Last week a client of mine coming and saw this dress and she wants this dresser paint and the drawers in wrapped, pull wrapped. Let's go to start on this baby. First I'm going to remove the hardware, later I'm going to change this hardware for a modern one and do a good cleaning and at the same time check if we need some fixes on this dresser. I'm going to start the cleaning with a cord cutter and after this I'm going racing with cleaning water. Let's see what's going on with these legs. Metallic part for do a good cleaning and maybe I need to paint or spray that ones and take that cold bar. I never see that before, but it's this cool bar. Sand with 120 grit some paper because it has this too deep scratch. Now I'm going to scuff sander all piece with 240 grit some paper. I'm going to paint my dresser with my custom color. I have this color from leftovers project and my client loved this color. Now ask me for the recipe because I just mix green and black and turns out this color. I'm going to apply with my paint spray gun. Of course I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats. I will do 3 coats of paint. Let's go to paint. cleaning. I don't like the how this looks. I'm going to spray paint. Finish the last touch. The pulls and handles my client chose was this one, so cute. I bought this in Amazon. I leave the link below, and the handles is this ones. Let's put on it. Here the final work done. I have so much fun to create this boho style on this vintage dresser, MCM vintage dresser. On begin, I thought leave this dresser and restore, leave in Behr wood, but my client want this style. But turns out so beautiful. I really love how this dresser turns out on this style. Can the guys comment below what the guys think? Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope the guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye guys.